Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade V40S, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to click on home screen settings over here and tap on home screen mode under icon layout. Then select simple mode by clicking on it and tap on apply. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, you need to access the same settings, click on home screen settings and then tap on home screen mode again. Now pick any other one, I will go with draw, and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!